What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got a little homework today, back in the home garage here. This is the ashtray out of my 1966 C10. And it's seen better days, right? And I doubt I ever use it, actually, for an ashtray, right? I don't smoke and don't plan to start up. I cannot find a replacement ashtray online, and it just seems like it's just not available. You can find the door that bolts right there, right? So this is where your pretty little door would go. It's painted the same color as your dash, and then it has the handle that says ashtray. You can find the door, replacement door. You can even find the replacement handle, which I've bought. I bought a new handle that says ashtray because mine was, kind of crappy looking. But as far as finding this new, I can't find it. I found some used ones on eBay for like $50. And anyway, I don't think I'm gonna spend $50 on a used one when I have one here that just needs a little bit of repair. So if you've watched the channel and you're used to kind of some of the things I do, you already know what's about to happen. So I snuck this out of the house. This is my wife's. I don't have a Dremel tool. I got quite a bit of tools, but this is the one thing I don't have. We're safe. She don't watch the channel, so she doesn't know I have it. So that's cool. So plan is to cut out, just the bad stuff. I mean, where it's good, I'm just gonna leave it. Just gonna cut out just the bad stuff. Cut a Coors Light can in typical fashion that we do. Lay it in there, contour it, and rivet it in. And should be a simple project, which means I'll be out here for about 4 hours. No, I'm joking. We'll see what happens. I don't think it's gonna give us much trouble. I would like to go ahead and clean it up and paint it after I cut off the bad before I, rivet the Coors Light stuff in. So what I'll probably do is cut this thing out, cut a can, test fit everything, make sure everything's right, clean this up with a little bit of sandpaper. I've got some Rust-Oleum black. Shoot it with some Rust-Oleum black and then let it dry and then do the rivets and all that good stuff. Not too bad so far. Like I said, I didn't want to cut out too much, but the damage is pretty extensive back this way. So I got all the bad stuff cut out. Worked out really good. And then I've got my can already kind of cut. It's coming along pretty good. Got some little cuts I'm having to make because of this little piece here, and I'm not sure where I want this to stop, but you get the general idea. All right, so I got that little centerpiece cut out. Gonna do a little bit more shaping, just a little bit of a quick cleanup on it on the edges, and then I'm just gonna drill holes in the corners here to be able to put a rivet. Then I'm gonna sand this thing down, clean it up, paint it. Okay, got my holes drilled for my rivets. I'm gonna clean up, paint, let it dry, and then rivet this sucker on. Quick little cleanup. That Dremel tool thing works really good. She may not be getting that thing back. A little gloss black Rust-Oleum on it, and got the little patch panel riveted in. It turned out about as good as I expected it. Nothing perfect, but I mean, nothing on this truck is going to be that perfect anyway. So there you go. If you're working on a 60 to 66 C10 and your ashtray is rusted out and you don't want to spend $50 on a used replacement, get you some sheet metal or something and cut it out, pop a new little piece in. Thanks always for watching. Subscribe, like, share. Ring the notification bell. Have a good one. See you on the next one.